Alright, y'all, here we are back for the next episode of the Dirt series. Detailing in real time. We're going to clean these track wheels. You can see, hope you can see that they are very, very dirty. There is a unique red barrel on a black wheel surface. Gloss black wheel faces, sorry. So we're just going to see what we can do about these guys. Alright, just getting that. It's a little bit of a different approach, so we're just getting this rinsed off because I'm going to hit this with some all-purpose cleaner, undiluted, which is usually how I do tires, but I want to do a pre-soak to make sure that this thing gets as clean as it can. And y'all see all of the dirt and the browning and all that junk coming off of there. So I'm gonna let this just kind of eat for a minute. I could switch over to Meguiar's wheel brightener, but I don't really want to use an acid-based cleaner on these particular wheels and brakes. I don't think that would be a smart idea. But again, don't mind the water. Anytime I change this water out and these tools get put back in here, that water turns just like that. We're good to go. So we'll get this tire as clean as I can get it, and then take this what is my usual wheelbarrow brush and fender brush, go inside as much of the fender wells as I can. It's a lowered car. It's not going to be perfect, but still got to try. And then now that everything's kind of had a minute to sit for that APC, I can give these a rinse and rinse the inside of these barrels and see where we're at. Alright, don't mind the weird angles. I'm just not trying to get the camera wet because I wouldn't know. If the camera gets all wet, I wouldn't know if y'all could see anything or not. So, y'all can see inside the barrel. Got it pretty clean. This looks like some really, really, really heavy stuff inside there. But I am going to use a degreaser to clean these wheels the rest of the way, because even though it got quite a bit, there is still quite a bit left over. So this is Optimum Power Clean. It's a good, safe degreaser. Should help. Now for this, I'm going to use, it's a little bit better than this thing is at cleaning, or it should be. And get it as far in here as I can. These rotors come pretty far down to the wheel surface. Actually, you know what? Let's try this. Let's try this guy. So this one should be a little bit better. Yeah, that's better. That's much better. Trying to get as much of this inside barrel as I can. Alright, I wonder if I can get any of that tar looking stuff with a rag. So this requires a bit more of a hands-on approach to cleaning than just my usual brush. I know these angles get a little bit weird as we get closer to these wheels and tires, but I've got to get close to this stuff to get them clean, so I apologize if I'm blocking everybody out from being able to see stuff. So make sure you dig into your corners. Mean to be putting y'all off the screen. So now that that's good, go over. And then spokes. I don't know if y'all can see this on camera, but there is literally just brake dust and junk streaming out of here. So this may not be the only time I clean these wheels in this process. And then let's see how we do back here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there is some really heavy stuff. I may need to use a little bit of tar remover on that to get that broken down, but I need to rinse this off, get the degreaser off of there. Alright, so where we started to where we're at, I think that's pretty good. I'll get in there with some tar remover, but I got to get these other wheels cleaned and assessed for whatever's going on right there. So hopefully I can get that out, but I will see you guys on the next video. I'm out.